Hi everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to be taking a look at what is meant by the absolute value of a number. So in your notebook, please put today's subtitle, which is Absolute Value of a Number. Well, the definition of absolute value is actually extremely easy. In the most simplest terms, the absolute value of a number is that number's distance from zero. Here are a couple of examples of what I mean by how far that number is from zero. Suppose I give you the number 3. Well, how far is the number 3 from 0? Well, we can say that it's 3 units from 0. Here's another simple one. How about minus 4? How far is negative 4 from 0? Well, it's 4 units away. So that means the absolute value of negative 4 is 4. And how about one more? How about negative 9? How far is negative 9 from 0? Well, it's 9 units. So, that means that the absolute value of negative 9 is 9, because it's 9 units away from 0. Well, saying it in plain English is fine, but how will we write this mathematically, using mathematical symbols? Well, here's a brand new symbol that you probably haven't seen before. The absolute value of number x is written as 2 straight lines with the number in between those straight lines. Now let's go back to the examples that we did a few moments ago, and instead of writing them in plain English, let's write them using this new symbol. So put example, please. Let's start with the 3. So the 3 is written in between those 2 straight lines. This is asking you, what is the absolute value of 3? Which is the same as asking you, how far away is the number 3 from the number 0? Well, it's 3 units away. Next, the negative 4, the same thing can be done with that. So the negative 4 goes in between the 2 lines. And this is asking you, what is the absolute value of negative 4? Which is the same as asking, how far away is negative 4 from the number 0? It's 4 units away. And finally, we can do the same thing with the negative 9. What's the absolute value of negative 9? Well, that's equal to 9. Why? Because it's 9 units away from 0. So, what can you conclude about how the absolute value behaves? Easy. The absolute value essentially just turns everything positive. And that's all there is, ladies and gentlemen, to what is meant by the absolute value of a number.